Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix high RAM memory using in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as you can to fix high RAM memory using in Windows 10 or PC. So very easy. Firstly click on Start, type here Services, click on Services. Scroll down, search here Support Touch. Here search Super Touch. After click on Dropbox and select Disable. After click on Apply and click on OK. And after click on Install and search here. After click on Windows plus Archetype and type here MS config. After click on OK and click on Startup. And after here uncheck this box, click on Apply, click on OK. And after click on Control Panel, open here option program, click on Install and program. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix high RAM memory using in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Fix high RAM memory using in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video was full or not. Thank you for watching.